how to use deep research in the Gemini mobile app. So if you want to use deep research in the Gemini mobile app, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Gemini application at first. After opening your Gemini app on your phone, you'll see an option where it says Ask Gemini for research. Just tap on the research, which is on the bottom. Once you tap on research, now you can type in your topic or your question. Now what I typed is something like, how is hair dye made? And then I'll hit the send button. So basically just sit back for a few seconds while Gemini pulls together our trusted research, and it turns into an easy to understand report literally in under a minute. You can tap on start research. You'll also even get suggestions for the related topic. It's perfect for learning fast and getting straight into the point. You can copy parts of the report. So you can just simply tap on research and it will start the research in just a few seconds. So that's how you can use your deep research in the Gemini mobile app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.